Hi, there are many ways of applying a rubber dam clamp and the sheet into the oral cavity. Some prefer to put the sheet first and then the clamp, which is more tedious I find. Some put the clamp and then the sheet, and some techniques where you can carry both together and then separate them intraorally. Now in this technique we are trying to show you how we put a clamp first and then how you roll the sheet over it. The reason being, sometimes in cases like these are butterfly clamps, and at least this clamp has a wing, but there are also newer companies or some companies which do not have the wings. In such cases you need to use a heavy duty dam because the retraction becomes too much. You may have to punch a little larger hole, stretch the dam all over and then adapt it. The point is, there's still going to be spaces like an undercut where the other teeth are exposed. With the help of a plastic filling instrument, you need to slightly start reflecting it out and then covering that one tooth that you need to only expose and the other teeth that get covered. So that's how you possibly try and adapt the heavy duty matted dams onto the surface of the other teeth. You can also do a floss technique and try and slip and slide on both sides to get better adaptation, and then you try and adapt a frame. Many a times what happens is, if you carry it along with the frame, it becomes more difficult. So in this technique I would say, don't take the frame first, just take the sheet separately, expand it as much as you want, stretch it as much as you want, adapt it well, and then put the frame at the end of it. Thank you.